With the order confirmations feature, you can now request your customers to confirm their orders before shipping it. Let's have a look at how this works. Go to Apps section on the dashboard and click on Order Confirmations. Ensure to enter your store's name and upload your logo. This will help your customers to recognize your store. You can also enter your store's contact number for customers to reach out to you for any questions that they might have. We can see that order confirmation is now enabled. Here's a preview of the message that will be sent to your customers. Set ThirdWatch to automatically send order confirmation requests. You can set up this automation based on certain conditions, whether orders are cash on delivery or prepaid or both. Further, you can choose to auto send based on the specific type of flag. For example, red flag COD orders or green flag prepaid orders, or a combination of these, and so on. Save these changes to enable automation. You can disable this later if this is not required. You can also send confirmation requests manually on every order. On the Review tab, open a particular order and click on the Get Confirmation button to send an order confirmation request to the customer. Please note, if you have set up automation for all orders with matching conditions, these requests will be automatically sent by ThirdWatch. Essentially, the customer is notified by an SMS and is requested to confirm their order. On clicking the link in the SMS, the customer is taken to a web page where they can view order details and confirm or decline the order. As soon as customers confirm or decline their order, you will be able to instantly view their response on the dashboard. Further, you can go to the Analytics section to get detailed insights and reports, such as how many confirmations have been received, how many expired, etc.